Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nitro Circus, McDonald's style. Good job, boys.
Now let Connor go by himself. See a hole.
Okay, Jolene, fix it there, Jolene.
Alright, show us Buzz Lightyear. Show us you can't fly. You can't fly. You are a T-O-Y toy.
When I fly, then I put my space always flying up the air.
Oh.
Uh-oh. That's hard to do in front of Mom. She's about flipped out 3 times. Daddies don't flip out. They think it's pretty funny. Push him, Connor. Push him. Get him.
Hayden, don't push Connor. Hayden, let Connor go first.
What do you think, Mom?
I can't think about it right now.
Hey, buddy! High five! Ah!
Hayden, be gentle.
And that's a cut. That's a